warning for north central Payne County in central Oklahoma until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Glencoe, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Glencoe. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.